Did you know there is a single Excel formula that can automatically highlight every other row? No manual clicking, no VBA, no plugins required. In the next, most people manually click every other row and apply fill colors one by one. And then when data gets added or sorted, the whole thing breaks and they have to do first select all the rows in your data table. Click the top left cell and drag to the bottom right to highlight the entire range. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Conditional Formatting. The formula is equals MOD, open parenthesis, row B, comma, 2, close parenthesis, equals 0. Row returns the current row number, and MOD divides it by. Look at that. Every even row is now automatically highlighted with your chosen color, and it updates instantly whenever you add, delete, or sort your data. You just learned how to use the MOD function with conditional formatting to create automatic alternating row patterns that never break, even when